Hey y'all, it's Miss Gross here. I want to go over the algebra tiles model and solving equations using algebra tiles checkpoint with you. So this first one, which set of algebra tiles represents the equation 2x equals 10? So you want to find one that has 2x's and you want to find one that has 10. So this one has 3x's, so it's out. And this one also has 3x's, so it's out. This one has 2x's and this one has 2x's. But when I count, this is 3, 6, 9, 12. That's more than 10, so that one's out. This one has 3, 6, 9, 10. So this is the correct one on here. So let's clear the screen and see. How does it let me? Mouse. There we go. Submit. The second one, same thing. We've got 3 x's here. And then when you count, you've got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So your answer there would be 3x equals 18. And then which one represents negative 2x equals negative 6? Well, the top one here has positive 6, and the third one has positive 6. The second one's the only one that has negative 6, so negative 2x and negative 6. Then on your next one, you've got which equation does this represent? Let's look here. We've got 1x, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So negative 8. So 1x minus 8 equals 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14 equals 14, but those are negative, so it'd be negative 14. So when you type that in, it would be 1x, or just x, minus 8 minus 8 equals 14. Why is my minus not coming in? All right, so anyway, next minus 8 equals 14. I don't know why it's being weird. Okay, whoopsie. X minus 8 equals, did I say 14? Uh-oh, negative 14. I got it wrong because I forgot to put negative 14 in. Sorry about that. But this one, I'm going to get it right. I've got 4 x's equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equals positive 8. So that's how you do that one. And then this one, I'm not going to get this one wrong because there's a bunch of negatives. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's negative 7x. Negative 7x equals 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 28 equals negative 28. I'm not going to make the same mistake that I made last time. All right. This one is 1x, positive x. This is plus 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equals 6. X plus 4 equals 6. So that's how you do this one. You're just modeling these equations. It is going to get to the point where you're solving them. 2x equals, this is negative 3, 6, 9, 10, negative 10. And 2x equals 3, 6, 8. So this is 2x equals 8. And this one has you solving because it says what x equals. So this one is if 3x equals 9, we need to solve for x. So 1x would equal 3. You would simply do 9 divided by 3. This one you have negative 2x minus 3 equals negative 11. So we have, let's go ahead and get rid of the minus 3 here. Let's take those away. So we're going to add 3 to this side, or actually we could just take away 3 on this side too. So take away here, take away here. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing here. Negative 2x minus 3 equals negative 11. Now I took away the 3x on this side, and I'm going to take it away on this side as well. So when you're taking away those negatives, you are adding 3. I don't know why I added 8. It's because I did the math in my head ahead of time. Okay, let me fix that. Plus 3. Plus 3. Okay. Now I'm left with negative 2x equals negative 8. And that's what we had here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's kind of what it's doing there. And we still have the negative 2x on this side, and we have the negative 8 on this side. And now we want to figure out how many goes into each x. So on this one, we can assign 1 for each one. So 1 every other one, 2, 3, 4. That's going to go to this one. And then this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there would be 4 there, but there's 4 negatives, so it would be x equals negative 4. But showing you on the math side, well, they're all math. Showing you on the step-by-step side here, we will divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2, x equals 4. And there's 4 sets of those, so this would actually be 4. X equals 4. Because a negative x equals negative 4, so a positive x, this right here was negative x. Negative x equals negative 4, so positive x would equal positive 4. Let's do another one. We're going to solve this one. 2x plus 8 equals 10. So on the algebra side, the box side of it, we can get rid of these 8 by taking them away. So we're going to do it on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 2 left here. That makes sense. And it's gone here. Now we're left with the 2x's and 2. 2x equals 2. And so then we want to put this one goes into this one, and this one goes into this one. So we would have 1 into each side. And basically all you're doing is dividing them up. X equals 1. And that's a positive x, so positive x would equal positive 1. All right, so let's do this one. This one's a little bit more challenging. Okay. All right, negative 2x. Now we've got a negative x again, plus 8 equals 14. So on this side, I'm going to get rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take away those 8. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to take away those 2 because it makes it a little easier. Take away 8. So now I have none left on this side. They're all gone. All I have left on this side is negative 2x. On this side, once I took the 14 and subtracted 8, I am left with the 6. 14 minus 8 equals 6. Now I have 2 negative x's and 6. So I'm going to take this 1, 2, and 3, and they're going to go over here. This 1, 2, 3 is going to go over here. So if negative x equals positive 3, then positive x should equal negative 3. So divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2, x equals negative 3. All right, let's do one more. 4x plus 4 equals 12. 4x plus 4 equals 12. Now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 to get rid of. So we're going to get rid of 1, 2, 3, 4. So take away 4 on that side, gets rid of it. Take away 4 on this side, and we're left with 8. And that makes sense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have 4 x's on the left-hand side. That's all that's left. And then 8. And so this is going to be, we're going to basically divide them into each of those. So this is going to go 1. This one's going to go into the second one, the third one, the fourth one, the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one. So there's only 2 blocks for each one. And basically that's what we're doing over here. It's just evenly dividing it. X equals 2. Positive x equals positive 2. All right. Oh, we need to do this one because it's a bunch of negatives. We need to see what that looks like. Okay. And then I promise we'll be done. Negative 4x minus 4 equals negative 12. Now, I'm going to take away the negative 4s on this side. So I'm getting rid of them. But what I'm doing here to undo them, I'm basically adding them. I'm doing the opposite 4. And so to get rid of the negative 4s on this side, I'm going to take away 4 negatives, which would give me which would only leave me 8 negatives. That's why we're adding 4. Okay. So those of you who are confused, like those of you who were getting confused before about like why do we do the opposite or whatever, if I'm taking away 4 negatives, I have 8 negatives left. So basically what I'm doing is going up, I'm adding them. So that cancels out there. To have nothing left except for the negative 4 x's. And then on this side, I have negative 8s left. And so then I'm going to assign, basically divide all these 8s evenly into those. So I can, on this side, do negative 4. And so on this one goes to 1, this one goes to 2, this one goes to 3, this one goes to 4, this one goes to 1, this one goes to 2, this one goes to 3, and this one goes to 4. So basically negative x equals negative 2. Well, if negative x equals negative 2, then positive x would equal positive 2. Negative divided by negative is a positive. So this one answer would be positive 2. That's why it looks that way. All right. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.